Have you ever wanted to know how to propagate the Senecio, otherwise known as a string of pearls? Keep watching and I'll show you. So this is the string of pearls that I've got growing in the conservatory, and it's too wintry to be doing anything much in the garden, so I'm going to be taking some cuttings of this. Hopefully they'll succeed. So you just literally cut off what you want, and then we'll take them in the warm and I'll show you what we do with them. Okay, so here we have a pot with some peat-free houseplant compost in, and here are the cuttings you saw me take. Now I've not made cuttings in this way before. This is going to be an experiment for me. So what I'm going to do, what I've read, is that you cut off, you can't see what I'm doing, can you? What I've read is that you cut off the stem. Let's try just there, and then what we're doing here, we're taking off the little pea type. I'll take a couple of those off, you can see, and then I'm just going to try pop them in the pot. And I'm hoping that what will happen is it will send off some little roots. So here we go, this is what we can try again. We just take off the little peas, take a couple, a bit fiddly, and then again, carefully make a little hole, pop it in, plant it, and just keep doing that. That's done, and I'm going to just give a little drop of water, and I'm going to keep it on the kitchen windowsill just for a while to sort of nurture it and see, hopefully it will start to root very soon. Succulents are normally quite easy to propagate and grow, so we'll see how we get on with this. I'll do another video of that in a couple of weeks to see how we get on, but if you did enjoy that, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.